Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets in just one click. Here we have a Google Sheet that we will use to send messages. It has 5 columns: name, mobile number, message, date, and a column for sending WhatsApp messages. For each person, a special link will be created that connects directly to WhatsApp. To make this work, we will add a script. Go to Extensions and then choose App Script. This will open a new editor. We will paste in a function that generates WhatsApp links for every row. You can find this script in the link given in the description. Now click the Save icon, give your project a name, and then press the Run button. In the execution log, you can confirm that the script has run successfully. When you return to the sheet, you will see new links created in the 5th column. Each link is unique to the person in that row. Let's test this. Click the link. This will open WhatsApp in your browser. The mobile number matches the one in the sheet, and the message is already filled in. Click Continue to chat. If you do not have WhatsApp installed on your computer, you can use WhatsApp Web. The message will appear in the text box, and you only need to press Send. You can also edit the message before sending. That is how you can send WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets with a single click. Thanks for watching.